This is a really quick video. I am sick of scrubbing and having to scrub my air fryer. So I have some soda crystals or washing soda, excuse me, it's bedtime. Washing soda. I've put some hot water in here. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of my washing soda in, and I'm just going to leave that soak overnight. I'm going to give that a stir, leave that soak overnight, and see if it cleans up without having to do any scrubbing. Right, so I've left this overnight to soak and dwell and hopefully break down all of the bonded, burnt in, fatty, nasty stuff that was in the bottom of this pan. So I am going to pour boiling water. Oh wow, okay, so I'm pouring boiling water in on top, and just to emulsify all of the fat and give it a little bit of a scrub. I can actually feel no resistance in there, which would indicate to me that the washing soda has done what I was hoping it would do and break everything off the bowl. But let's drain this out now, and just giving it a little bit of a wipe. This is quite a potent cleaning mix. That washing soda is about pH 11.5, and I put a decent amount in, so like it will clean really well. Okay, anyway, I'll stop waffling and let's pour this into the sink. And wow, zero scrubbing. That has worked really well. Okay, I'm really impressed. If you want to know how to make your own washing soda out of baking soda, watch the video appearing on the screen right now.